Today I'm going to convert my horizontally mounted Pylontech batteries that are in a 19-inch rack to being vertically mounted using the Pylontech mounting kit. I'm about to park 2 cars in the garage, and currently the rack protrudes quite a bit out from the wall. Let's start by isolating the batteries and popping the battery breakers, and finally turning the batteries off. Now, time to get started, disassembling everything. To mount the new brackets, you've got to remove the existing 19-inch rack mount fittings, and then the new brackets, they seem to just slide over the Pylontech. They don't seem to screw in, but we'll soon find out. The bracket has this lip on it, and it looks like there's sort of meant to be 2 locator pins, but there's nothing on the top here for them to locate into. So it looks like you just slide these on until the that lip clips into against the battery, and that looks like the extent of the mounting. I put all the little bits that are left over into a little Ziploc bag in case I ever want to reverse this procedure. I'm going to mount the 2 batteries vertically pressed up against that wall, but just some things I've noticed. When you mount them vertically, they just basically lie on the ground, lying on their catches here. So maybe that's why you can only stack them 2 vertically. The feet have a little hole in that goes into these little raised knobs, so they key in. Let's get this together and assembled. Everything is now finally reassembled and plugged in, so let's start the power up sequence. The inverter can see the batteries are back online and they're charging at the moment. The batteries now only protrude into the garage a bit under 250, so I've gained about 350 millimeters of space back in my garage for parking another car in. I'm going to leave another video around my head, and hopefully you'll find that one interesting to watch as well.